Today, we're going to go ahead and cover the real costs of cell-based therapy. The real costs of cell-based therapy are based on three basic things, okay? It's going to be pretty simple here. You're going to go ahead and you're going to look at your wages, okay? So you got to get out your paycheck and look at your net. You want to have your net, which is that amount that you deposit in the bank, okay? Two, you need to go ahead and look at your out-of-pocket costs for your insurance. So out-of-pocket costs for your insurance, okay? And three, you want to look at your health spending account amount. Those three. If you have those three pieces, we'll go on to the next step. So you want to go ahead and take your wages and you want to go ahead and you want to multiply that, okay? So on average, if you're going to have your knee replaced, it's going to be times 6 weeks at a minimum. Now, if you're like a UPS driver and you're carrying boxes all day and you're high demand, well, that's going to be actually double this, or 3 months, 12 weeks. So you gotta go ahead and multiply that weekly net amount by either 6 or 12. Number two is then you want to take your out-of-pocket costs, your maximum out-of-pocket costs from your insurance. So look at that. Now the average in the United States was between $4,000 and $5,000 last year. So that gives you an idea if you really can't add that up, because they do have little hidden costs. But assume about that. That's what the average American paid last year out-of-pocket costs. And then finally, you also want to go ahead and you want to look at your health spending account. Okay, so that's where you put money aside that's tax-free that you have somewhere that can help defer the costs of this. They defer the cost of this $4,000 to $5,000, and also defer the cost of cell-based therapy. That amount is $3,450 if you're an individual, and it's $6,900 if you're a family, and you add in an extra $1,000 if you're over the age of 55, okay? So that's the max amount. Now you may not have this max amount, it's whatever your employer allows, or you may not even have a health spending account, but this helps defer this. So this will be a minus here, okay? So you have your wages, your total out-of-pocket costs, and your health spending account. So now we'll calculate out your cost for, say, a joint replacement of your knee. So just one knee. This is just for one knee. If you need two, you'll have to do this twice. Okay, so we'll put on here total knee cost. Okay, so first of all, your wages. Say you earn $2,000 every 2 weeks, okay? So that's, just make it easy, that's $1,000 a week. So if you're gonna be off 6 weeks, that equals $6,000 right there. So now you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna take out your total maximum out-of-pocket costs. So your out-of-pocket costs, and let's just be nice here, and for easy math, we'll say it's $4,000, okay? Now you're gonna subtract your health spending account that you have here. So say that's $2,000, okay? So these two here, that equals 10,000 right here. Now your health spending account, you minus 2,000 here, and your cost for a total joint, one single joint, is going to be $8,000 out of your pocket to have your joint replaced. So now let's go ahead and calculate the cost of a stem cell therapy for that same knee. Okay, so the cost, although it may vary on the different programs that you choose, but on average, the most common is $4,000. Okay, right there. Your time off work, so wages on here, okay? So the wages, you're usually out 48 hours. If you have another procedure done, it may be a week to 10 days. So let's just say a week. So there's $1,000, okay? Remember, in the same calculation that you have there, okay? Your out-of-pocket cost for this is just this. And now you have your house spending account, which is $2,000, okay? So here you have, this is gonna cost you $5,000 right here, but with your house spending account there, this comes down to $3,000. So you can see right away that a stem cell therapy cost is actually significantly lower than a total knee cost. And the best thing about this, you could probably do, if you had both knees, you could do both at the same time, and this number would really only be around $6,000 to $7,000 up here. So you can see the huge difference here. So you get out a pen and paper, get all those facts, and figure it out for yourself about what is the actual cost of stem cell therapy. Remember, these are your cells for your healing. If you want to learn more about using your own cells to heal yourself, go ahead and call us at 810-299-8552. That's 810-299-8552. Talk to Kim or visit us on our website at cellularhealing.net. Remember, these are your cells for your healing.